Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I'm going to show you how to fix briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance check back in a minute. So this is very common issue in WordPress website. In this tutorials I'm going to fix this issue fast and easily. So let's get started. Here is the issue that I am going to fix in my website. So this website in the local host. So to do this, first I have to access my file manager where my all the files is stored. So in the WordPress we know this file is stored in the cpanel exam htdocs. Here is my all the files. So if you work in the cpanel, then you have to log in file manager and access the file manager folder, and you can see all this file in your cpanel. As the same way you can get this in your local host if you work in the local host htdocs file. So overall we need to access this file or this file location, and here you will see a file names maintenance, and we need to simply delete this file. So I'm going to delete this one. Okay, now I'm going to reload my page. Wow, my problem has been fixed and it's very easy and fast. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.